Hello guys, I am going to show you the process of connecting Integrately with ConvertBox. Use the link in the description to sign up to ConvertBox at a huge discount. Step 1. Log into your Integrately account and select Create New Automation from the My Automations area. Step 2. Select ConvertBox for App 1. Step 3. Select your second app and then choose the desired actions and click Go. Step 4. Next, Integrately will require you to add a connection for your ConvertBox trigger. Step 5. Integrately will now provide you with a webhook URL. You are going to need this in our next step inside the ConvertBox app, so click Copy. Step 6. Keep the Integrately page open and in ConvertBox select the form element you want to connect Integrately to. In the ConvertBox editor select your form element. Then on the left sidebar select the Form Settings button. Step 7. In the Form Settings modal select the Integrations tab and then select the Add Integration button under the default integrations. Step 8. On the Use Integration option select Webhooks, then paste the webhook URL copied from Integrately in Step 5 into the webhook URL field and click the Send Test button. You must click the Send Test button before proceeding or the following steps in Integrately will not work. Wait for the test to send, usually take 1 to 3 seconds, and then click Add Form Action. Once the test has sent select Add Integration, and your new integration will show under the Form Integrations tab. Step 9. Your new webhook action will now appear in your list of integrations for this form. Click Save to close the Form Actions modal and don't forget to save the changes to your ConvertBox in the editor. Step 10. Go back to your Integrately page and click Test Connection. If your webhook connection was successful, you'll see a success message in Integrately and you'll be taken back to the automation setup page. Depending on the app you want to integrate with, you may need some or all of the data passed on from ConvertBox.